Okay, this is the bar that I've been pounding on for some time. Got it starting to shape. You have to anneal it once every 10-15 minutes, or when it gets that high-pitched tinging sound when you break it. Otherwise it gets too brittle and starts to crack. And annealing it basically either means getting it red hot, like you'll see it here, or getting it red hot and quenching it in water. I tend to want to just keep it red hot and pound the hell out of it. It stretches as you pound it. Okay, I'll be back when it's a little farther along.